Hey, so actually here I am. Um, I'm gonna, well, be quick. I just said I wanted to make a video before I went to bed. Anyway, from the last time that I recorded something, I was saying that, well, I was gonna take a break and everything, and I thought about it. I think it was definitely good thing. And then I kept thinking today, like, um, I didn't want to run away. Definitely, like as I said, it's not out of fear, and I believe it is not. But I decided to well trade today at after all when I was at in the session. When I decided to trade, basically was after I noticed the market failed into the upside. When it gap lower, and then it just closed the entire gap and failed to trade at yesterday's highs and started tanking here. So it's like, I like that. I liked it, so I just started, taking a bunch of trades and good ones, bad ones, and at the end, yeah, I didn't manage to keep it together, and it seems like I didn't even try to keep it together, which is weird. And yeah, I blown up this account as well. But also, point is, believe it or not, I left more money than my entire drawdown in the table today. Like it was insane. Not everything was, I would say, negative. Besides this account being lost, I took pretty good trades, really good trades, especially on NQ. What I put these eyes here is just the points that I was basically aiming for and paying attention to. This was the first one, this one failure, and then the price started tanking, and it closed especially below here, this swing, and then the open. I took a couple of losses here. I thought the price might continue lower, but it didn't from there, so I just came higher again and then tanked. And here I was watching this especially because this was basically at 12 o'clock, and I noticed that I was like, okay, let's see if it wants to continue higher from here. But then it didn't, so I kept trading lower. So then here I sold this bar here after it took the low, and it held around here. I actually I sold the market, but at this trade was actually a really good trade, but it got stop break even before the market tanked. I kept shorting with the market. I would take losses, I would take break-even trades, and I would take, yeah, some profit, but still I would try to see if the market was to fill the gap. I was at this point when I started shorting here, I was going for this 15% and this prior gap, and also the low of yesterday, as well as the gap fill, which didn't happen basically. But besides all that, um, I I I would love to say that I know what's the problem, but I can't. Like at least not yet. I know that there is something that is triggering me to sabotage myself, to misbehave, to trade when I'm not supposed to be trading. To, for example, like today, to not respect my decision of taking a break. And well, uh, let's see. I am. I'm definitely, like I said before, I remain. I'm not like mad. Surprisingly, I've been pissed sometimes, but I'm not bad. I'm not mad, and I'm not like over frustrated or something. I know that I have the skills. I have them. I'm struggling to keep them together and to to basically remain consistent in that sense. I have had weeks where I've been really good overall. Keeping losses small and all that, and having decent days and all that stuff. But besides the market condition being really weird, I don't know if it's just because of this worldwide situation or whatever. That doesn't explain that I shouldn't be disciplined. That doesn't fix it. So it's not nothing to do with the market, regardless of the market behavior overall. This is really just personal. Um, I'm clearly trading against myself, and so far I'm not succeeding in that sense. So that is something that I definitely have to work on. I need to get better about it, and I need to get myself straight. And yeah, I need to just, in a sense, get myself straight, and yeah, eventually things will get on side as I wish they will. But yeah, I am definitely not trading for now. I'm gonna take a break. Like I know that I said it yesterday, but this is it for me. Like I'm gonna take a short break, maybe a couple of days. I don't know if maybe weeks, but at least for sure, tomorrow I'm not trading, and the whole weekend I'm gonna just relax and be with my kid. Um, how I know that I'm mentally, I would say, good is because I'm sleeping well. Like my sleep is respected. I'm, I don't know. I'm good. I feel good overall. But it seems like based on certain aspects of my life, that well, I'm not managing to keep my trading clean, and I can see it clearly. I've blown, I think, 5 accounts in less than a week. So that is never done it before, and it just feels like you just went too fast and out of nowhere. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna try to go sleep. It's late here, so yeah. Let's see.